Oh, hi. Peter. Naomi. We did level 1 6 count this week. First week, y'all rocked it. Go a little something like this. Turn around, Naomi. Followers start right, leaders start left. Here's the basic, simple version of it. We went rock, step, slow, slow. Rock, step, slow, slow. Then we put triple steps in. Triple, triple. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. You can just think of it like a little scoot. A scoot. Rock, step, scoot, scoot. You don't have to move far. It can be real easy. If you can't find that scoot, we did this in the circle. We went the same way. So you can try that if you need to find it again. When we did it with partners, we connected up like this. And then we dance. Rock, step, triple, triple. Rock, step, triple, triple. Again, if you go rock, step, slow, slow, that's legal too. If you ever lose the triples, you can do this one. And then we turn our partners like that and we change places. If you wander back to each other, here it is with triple steps. Rock, step, triple, triple. Rock, step, triple, triple. Rock, step, go, go. Rock, step, go, go. From dancing out here, we did the same thing. Triple, triple. Rock, step, turn, turn. You wander back together. You keep on dancing. You do all the moves and impress your friends. Everyone thinks you are so cool because you are doing the Lindy Hop. Hey, ho, hey, ha, ha.